Hello, this video we're going through numbers 8 through 11 of your chapter 1 review. Number 8 says name all the segments skew to PT. Now remember skew can't be parallel and it can't touch PT. So I'm going to start by just figuring out where PT is, this one here. And anything that's parallel to PT, so parallel to PT, I'm going to make blue. Those three are parallel to PT, so those cannot be used for segments that are skew. I also can't, if it's skew, it also can't touch PT. So if it's green, it touches PT. That would be anything that touches T, anything that touches P. I'm left with 4 segments. I'm going to go over them in black. The first one is UV. The next one is WV. And then we have SQ. And we have RQ. These are my 3 things that are skew to PT. I think the easiest way to remember it is that they can't be parallel and they can't touch PT. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase my screen. I'm going to pause and do that quick. All right, number 9, we're looking for the plane that is parallel to plane PSWT. So we're looking at PSWT, and we want something that's parallel to it. This one is the left side, so we want the one on the right side. To name it, we're going to call it plane, and then you can use all 4 letters if you want, Q, R, V, U. If you only use 3 letters, that's okay, as long as they're 3 letters that are in that pair. Again, I'm going to pause and erase, and then we'll press play again. All right, my next one, you can name all the segments parallel to TU. I'm going to do that one in blue. Here's TU to start. Remember, if they're parallel, they don't touch it, and they kind of, they have the same slope, essentially. They run next to each other. The first one I see is PR. And then when I name it, I'm going to name it the same way they did up here and put 1 line on top. My next one would be SQ. And then my last one would be down here at WV. And those are my 3 segments parallel to TU. And the last one for this video says name the intersection of plane PRU. I'm going to outline that plane in green, PRU. Now it only uses those 3 letters, but it's talking about the entire front side of my shape. So I'm going to outline all the sides, and that is plane PRU. Plane TUV, I'm going to outline in yellow. So we have TUV. Again, it still uses all 4 sides. And then we want to look at which part is both green and yellow. I notice it's right here at TU. Now if I'm naming the intersection of a plane, I need the 2 letters T and U. And because my plane goes on forever, my line's going to go on forever. So I need a line on top with an arrow on each end. And that is how I name my intersection.